Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and constantly battling with food cravings? It's time to take control of your health and start making changes to your grocery list. The food we eat plays a major role in our overall health and well-being, yet many of us still struggle to make the right choices when it comes to grocery shopping. We often feel overwhelmed by the endless options and unsure of what truly constitutes as healthy food. But the truth is, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. By simply incorporating the right foods into your grocery list, you can experience a noticeable difference in your energy levels, digestion, and overall health. In this video, we will explore the key elements of a healthy grocery list and provide you with practical tips and recommendations to help you make the right choices. Understanding the importance of healthy food. Healthy food plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. When we consume nutritious food, we are providing our bodies with essential nutrients to function optimally. Eating a healthy diet can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve mental health, and boost our energy levels. It's not just about what we eat, but also about the balance of nutrients we consume. A balanced diet should include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide our bodies with the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants we need to maintain good health. In addition to its physical benefits, a healthy diet can also help us manage our weight and feel more confident about our bodies. Eating a variety of healthy foods can help us feel more satisfied and less likely to crave unhealthy foods. By making a few simple changes to our grocery list, we can help to nourish our bodies and improve our overall health. Whether it's choosing whole grain bread instead of white bread or opting for fresh fruit instead of processed snacks, these small changes can have a big impact on our well-being. It's never too late to start making healthier choices and incorporating more nutritious foods into our diets. By doing so, we can ensure that we are fueling our bodies with the essential nutrients they need to thrive. Building a healthy grocery list. Now that we have a better understanding of the importance of healthy food in our diets, it's time to dive into the actual task of building a healthy grocery list. This section will cover the essentials you should include in your list, as well as tips for making it easier to stick to your plan. Start with the basics. The first step in building a healthy grocery list is to make sure you have the basics covered. This includes fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These are the building blocks of a balanced diet and will form the foundation of your grocery list. Try to choose a variety of different produce to ensure you're getting all the necessary vitamins and minerals. Add in healthy snacks. Snacks can be an important part of a healthy diet, especially if you're trying to avoid junk food and unhealthy snacking habits. Stock up on nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and other healthy snack options to have on hand when you need a quick pick-me-up. Consider also purchasing ingredients to make your own healthy snacks, such as energy balls or fruit and nut bars. Don't forget about pantry staples. In addition to fresh produce and snacks, it's important to have a good selection of pantry staples on hand. This includes items like canned beans, whole grain pasta, olive oil, and spices. Having these items on hand means you can easily make a nutritious meal even when you're short on time. Make healthy swaps. Finally, when building your healthy grocery list, don't be afraid to make healthy swaps for the less nutritious items you may have included in the past. For example, try using almond milk instead of dairy milk, or opt for whole grain bread instead of white bread. These small changes can make a big difference to your overall health. By following these tips and building a well-rounded grocery list, you'll be well on your way to a healthier, more nutritious diet. So grab that pen and paper and start jotting down the essentials you need to stock your kitchen with healthy, delicious food. Tips for making healthy choices at the grocery store. Here are a few tips to help you make healthy food choices at the grocery store. Make a list before you go shopping, so you're less likely to make impulse purchases. Shop the perimeter of the store, where fresh produce, meats, and dairy are typically located. Read labels and ingredient lists to make informed choices and avoid foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Choose whole, unprocessed foods instead of packaged snacks and meals. Try to incorporate a variety of colors into your meals by choosing different types of fruits and vegetables, as each color represents different nutrients. Building a healthy grocery list is an essential step towards achieving a healthy diet and improving your overall health. By following these tips and incorporating nutrient-rich foods into your meals, you'll feel better and have more energy to tackle each day. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next grocery trip and take control of your health and well-being. Thanks you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Now it's time to put this information into action. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our latest and greatest videos on health and wellness. We're committed to helping you achieve your health and wellness goals, and we appreciate your support. So don't hesitate, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's continue this journey together.